Edwin, what are we doing?
Oh, no, that sexy Subi. I think his wheels come out more than yours.
I think so. They're so dark.
Is it on?
Yeah, bro.
I really think he got it just because of you, though.
Think so?
Yeah. Those are the ugliest rims ever.
Says this dude. Can't see it, but it's really dark. But dude lives next to me, got the same exact car as me. Same year, same fucking color.
And he overspent on it.
And he overspent. It was really ugly though. Alright, so this car, they can't see, but you know. But the car was how much? 12,500? 12,500 or
yours?
That one.
That was like 14.
Oh, was it? Okay, it was like 14 grand. 2008 Subaru WRX. You know, narrow body, aka like the ugly one. And with Corolla, and it had like 120,000 miles.
Yeah.
Bad investment, man. I could have sold mine for him. I would have. Whatever.
You would probably sell something cheaper.
Man. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna just go cruising. We're gonna drive around, go to Midway, Minnesota. If you've ever been to Minnesota, go to Midway. Go to like the car meet every Friday and Saturday. It's at Midway up in down in Minneapolis, or not Minneapolis, in St. Paul. You guys should go there. I think it's alright. It's not bad. It's a cool place to chill with friends, car friends. So, alright, we're gonna go now and let's go. If you guys, alright, this video might be really dark, so you know, you should prepare to like not see anything in the video and just hear us talking cars. But yeah, guys, alright, I'll see you there.
Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new bitch. Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Whoa, chemo, sobbing, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Had to cut them out it, then the chopper had to chop it. Niggas pocket watchin', so I gotta keep it pocket.
Alright, what's really sad is no one's here. It's just us. Me and the Ednator. Just chilling. It's kind of a fail. Just kidding. No, it's we just came to a different place, different little spot. Just cause we can. Let's go in Edwin's car. Okay, what up, bro? What's up, man? Alright, bro. Tell the people what's up right now. Right, can't see you, but you know, tell them how you're feeling right now.
It's cold. Fuck, man, it's too early for this.
Early. Yeah, it was really. Alright guys, so no one's here. This is it. This is Midway. Only the true enthusiasts are out here right now. Damn, what is that? You got access port? Think you're gonna race tonight or what? Okay, you got. I'm heading to drive it up. Got the Civic. Go.
I got headers on. No, you don't, big. Don't. I do. Let's see. I got headers. Let's see. Huh? Let's see.
Oh,
do you want to see the header? Do you want to go and get in the bottom?
No, I can see it from up. I think
I got this sport. Do like $200 in the MNSI group.
But you don't even have an intake yet?
No, I don't.
He's still waiting on the intake.
I am, man. Like, that's like, as soon as I was going to get some intake, then I'll be satisfied.
You're going to be like, yes. Say what's up, dude.
Hey.
Yeah, it's Oscar. This is SI. What's done to it? Turbo?
It's, you know, supercharged.
Is it?
Running like 55 PSI.
On these bald ass tires? Damn, dude, you need new. Oh my.
Yeah, bro. I've been doing a little burnout.
Oh, holy shit. Wish I could have light. Oh my god. That's not bad. The front is worse. That's so funny.
It's cool.
It's cool.
I'll raise a little bit.
Is it? Is everybody? Just 3 people. Sweet. Go to Midway.
Yeah, alright, see you later.
Woo, see ya. That sounds really good.
What am I gonna do with you?
That was Edward's competition last summer. Now he's out of his league.
No, it's not. My car's still better looking. I don't know, man. Those wheels.